Thanks to everyone who have subscribed. If you have not, please do. And thanks for coming out here. I really appreciate you. Oshiomhole sends an encouraging word to Pastor Ize-Iyamu, saying, "There is light at the tunnel. Relax." My wonderful people, Oshiomhole has sent a word to his anointed candidate, talking of Pastor Ize-Iyamu. He has told him to relax. A lot happened in the last few days with regards to APC, where even in Edo State they had to hold an emergency meeting because from the national there was no prior notice or information. All of a sudden, the whole structure, apart from the national, has been dissolved, and we know that Ize-Iyamu is still fighting the court case with Governor Godwin Obaseki. As a matter of fact, the case is ongoing now, and court will bring you up to date as soon as the matter is resolved, and we'll let you know what the conclusion or what the matter has been so far. Ize-Iyamu, I don't know if he has expressed fear to Oshiomhole, and Oshiomhole in recent time has just sent him a very powerful message saying, "There is light, my brother, my son, there is light at the end of the tunnel." We don't know what that statement is. We don't know if it means that they have concluded plans, to deal with Governor Godwin Obaseki through the court. We don't know. Let's continue and understand all he's saying. Regardless of the massive support from many political journalists and all around the country in Nigeria, Pastor Ize-Iyamu still lost the September 19 election, even though he has the backing of the Ajigabo of Lagos, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu himself, his very own godfather Adams Oshiomhole, and other prominent APC members who even came at his flag off, and the whole country seemed as though they were all in Nigeria. All Nigeria seemed to be in Edo State at his flag off. He still lost the election. Recently, to note that Ize-Iyamu might be losing hope, Adams Oshiomhole has sent a serious message to him saying there is light at the end of the tunnel. We still have the court case to determine who becomes the governor of Edo State. It's necessary to note that Governor Godwin Obaseki, a former APC member until he was screened and disqualified by the party primaries on the basis of inconsistency in his certificate, which Adams Oshiomhole through Pastor Ize-Iyamu APC is using against Governor Godwin Obaseki, who has moved from APC to PDP, where he was uninterrupted and given free hand and massive support to become the governor, to get the governorship ticket, and eventually won the election with the support of every Edo sons and daughters. According to INEC results, Adams Oshiomhole has told Pastor Ize-Iyamu, despite all, be encouraged. There is light at the end of the tunnel. That INEC has called the results does not mean that you cannot still be the governor of Edo State. Governor Godwin Obaseki won the election, but based on the alleged discrepancies in his certificate, there is still hope. The APC has gone to court and is challenging Governor Godwin Obaseki and praying the court to make sure that Governor Godwin Obaseki is disqualified and sent packing as a result of certificate inconsistency, which according to the law is under Electoral Act as a fraudulent activity. So, the person of Adams Oshiomhole has sent a strong message to Ize-Iyamu saying, be encouraged. Be very, very encouraged. There is still light for you at the end of the tunnel. Oshiomhole has said it doesn't matter what has happened, you can still become the governor of Edo State. Oshiomhole has said, we know what it is. This is how I became the governor of Edo State. So please forget about all this. There is no, you have not won. INEC is one level, winning Edo State election is another level, and you have what it takes to win, to win the court case. So Oshiomhole is encouraging, Governor Pastor Ize-Iyamu, say, take heart. you can still win and become the governor of Edo State. I mean, they spent a lot of money. We even had the Ajigabo of Lagos who went ahead, and as you know, he went ahead and he even made a video. That's a lot. That's a lot for him to make a video and to say that Nigerians should not in any way support Governor Gordon Obaseki, saying that Obaseki did not fight democracy. That sparked up a whole lot of reaction with regards to what do you mean by he did not fight democracy? You are the one who fought democracy, and he does not qualify to be the governor of Edo State. Anyway, my people, and all that was said, irrespective of that was being said or being mentioned, Governor Gordon Obaseki, the people of Edo State made their choice, and he became the governor of Edo State. That being said, Ize-Iyamu is still very, very much, interested and very hopeful. As you've heard, Oshiomhole said to him, there is light at the end of the tunnel. Carry on. For somebody to speak like that, they must have something, they must have something off their sleeves, or they must be adequately prepared already in any way, form, or kind to be able to, get this whole, get this matter settled. Anyway, Nigerians, is happening, is actually happening, where Nigerian government has become the ones who are determining, who becomes the governor, who leads, and who becomes the governor of the state. It is important that Nigerians rise up and stop allowing themselves to be intimidated. The Edo State people have spoken and have said, we will not allow anybody we have not chosen to become our governor. Edo State people have said we will allow only those who deserves to be our governor to rule us. And Edo State have gone ahead and they have voted. However, their decision is being contested in court. As right now, where we are hearing is that Governor Gordon Obaseki is being taken to court, not because they are not sure, not because they have a doubt with regards to whether the elections were done well or not done well, but the main problem here is that they are not satisfied with the result Obaseki presented, and as a result have rather found a loophole. They rather prefer, that their candidates get there rather than the people's choice. And that's why, whatever decision we make today, as a people, we need to put legislation and accountability in place so that we can hold our government accountable and they are able to decisively and really, speak rather than being the ones that, just like what Buhari is doing, does not answer to anybody, has become rather a dictator. That is not the kind of government called democracy. Anyway, guys, leave us a comment. Let's hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless you. Have a good day. Bye for now.